While you enjoy music, while jogging or cycling, while you use your headphone for a long time, you are stretching your eardrum and cochlea, and that can damage your hearing. Introducing the Y-Bone Touch, a healthy listening experience for the general public. Beautifully put together by our Red Dot Design Award-winning designer, the decoration cover uses recyclable aluminium, precisely machined to the highest dimensional accuracy, which is then treated with micro-brushing, anti-corrosion coating and laser engraving. Since 2014, we have spent our best effort in improving and optimizing numerous prototypes. Our R&D team reinvented what we believe to be one of the most efficient transducers. Y-Bone Touch is suitable for communication in noisy environments, outdoor music, prolonged listening, alternative hearing solution for people with hearing impair, and comes with easy control. For many bone conduction headphones today, the electronics are located at the back. This causes the headphone to be off-balanced and discomfort to the user. There are two versions of Y-Bone Touch. The Y-Bone Touch 9 is a wireless Bluetooth headphone for music and phone calls. Its heat-treated band and the sunglass-ready ergonomic contour ensures maximum comfort. The Y-Bone Touch 8 is a wired headphone, equipped with high-efficiency transducers, which means that no extra battery is needed. The headband is ultra-lightweight and sunglass-ready too, hence equally comfortable. Premium metal, slim and lightweight and brilliant sound. Y-Bone Touch, the bone conduction headphone redefined.